Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a versatile and practical product that can make your driving experience much more enjoyable, the Magca car seat cover protector. We found this product online, and we've added the link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Magca car seat cover? It's a high-quality, waterproof front seat protector designed to keep your car seats clean and well-maintained. This universal-sized cover is made to fit a wide range of cars and trucks, making installation quick and easy, regardless of your vehicle's make or model. Let's talk about some of the standout features that set this seat cover apart. First and foremost, its waterproof construction is one of its most important attributes. You can drive in peace knowing that spills, stains, or even a bit of mud from your shoes won't ruin your seats. However, it's worth noting that while it offers excellent protection, this cover isn't designed for surfers, as it may not hold up against extensive water exposure from surfboards. Another feature that makes the Magca car seat cover a must-have is its multi-purpose defense. Whether you're dealing with dirt, sweat, or pet fur, this cover acts as a reliable barrier between your seat and whatever life throws your way. It's also great for mechanics who need a protective layer while working on vehicles, ensuring that oil and grime don't seep into your car seats. When it comes to durability, the Magca car seat cover shines again. Its reusable design means you can use it multiple times without worrying about wear and tear. This means you can easily clean it and put it back into service, making it an eco-friendly option for those who want to reduce waste. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys outdoor activities, has pets that love to ride along, or simply wants to keep your car looking pristine, the seat cover is perfect for you. It's also a great option for busy parents who need to deal with spills or messes from kids and their snacks. Practical use cases for the Magca car seat cover are numerous. You can use it during family road trips, weekend adventures with your dog, or even as a protective layer when you go to the car wash. It's also ideal for anyone who frequently transports items that could potentially dirty or damage your seats. In conclusion, the Magca car seat cover protector is a thoughtful investment for anyone looking to maintain the integrity of their car seats while enjoying peace of mind against spills and messes. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.